Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Kazakhstan government scholarship. To begin, it is crucial to understand the scholarship's purpose and the benefits it offers, such as full tuition coverage and a monthly stipend. Always consult the official ANIC Kazakhstan website for the most up-to-date program details. Starting early to gather and prepare all required documents is a key first step for a successful application. Next, let's discuss eligibility and essential documents. Applicants must be international citizens and meet specific academic criteria, often a minimum GPA of 3.0 out of 4.0 for master's and PhD programs. You will need certified copies of your previous education documents, including transcripts. Additionally, prepare a valid passport, a compelling motivational essay, and a medical certificate confirming your fitness to study, including an HIV/AIDS test result. The application process is primarily online. First, register on the official portal and accurately complete the application form. Carefully upload all required documents, which typically include 1 or 2 letters of recommendation, depending on your degree level. After document verification, you will usually receive a link to complete an online psychotechnical test designed to assess your adaptive potential. Ensure all steps are completed before the stated deadline. After submitting your application, the selection committee will review it. Successful candidates will be invited for an online interview with representatives from the ministry and universities. If selected, you will receive an invitation letter. Subsequently, follow all instructions for obtaining your student visa and completing the university enrollment process. This scholarship offers a fantastic opportunity for international students to study in Kazakhstan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.